In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a team member to Stripe. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This will open the main settings area for your account. From there, go to the Account Settings section and select Team and Security. This is where you can manage who has access to your Stripe account and what level of access each person has. After opening that page, make sure you are on the Team tab. This section shows your current team members and gives you the option to invite someone new. Next, click Add Member. Stripe will open an invitation form where you can enter the new team member's information. In the email field, type the email address of the person you want to invite. After that, choose the appropriate role for that person. Stripe provides different roles depending on how much access you want to give. Some team members may only need limited access, while others may need broader permissions based on their responsibilities. Once you select a role, review the permissions that come with that access level. This step is important because it lets you confirm exactly what the new team member will be able to see and do inside the account. Take a moment to make sure the selected role matches the person's job and only gives the access they actually need. When everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. Stripe will then send an invitation to the team member so they can join your account. At this point, you will need to wait for that person to receive the invitation and accept it. They may need to follow the link in the email and complete the setup process on their end before access becomes active. After the invitation has been accepted, return to the Team tab in Stripe and check the team list. You should now see the new team member listed there, along with the role you assigned. This confirms that they have been successfully added to your account. That is the complete process for adding a team member to Stripe. It is a simple way to share account access while still controlling permissions for each person on your team. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.